is kind of misunderstood, because many people, when they hear the term Attorney General, they think of folks like, Pam Bondi, and these days Todd Blanche, who are the Attorney Generals for the President of the United States when they hear the term. But the Attorney General of the United States and the Attorney General of the state of Illinois are completely different offices, because the Attorney General of Illinois is elected by the people and therefore responsible to the people, and not responsible to the government nor the governor. In which case, if the government or the governor act illegally, the Attorney General is actually supposed to step in on behalf of the people. And I am supporting Bob because I know that, in fact, he will do that. He will step in and represent the people, rather than do things like, take a church from the north side of Chicago and drag them all the way to the United States Supreme Court to try to shut them down because of an illegal order issued by Governor Pritzker. The only reason, there's a whole lot of people that don't like things about Mr. Pritzker, but the only reason Mr. Pritzker is able to get away with the things that he is because he has Kwame Raoul that's bought and paid for, that allows him to break the law of the state of Illinois, to not follow the Illinois Constitution, not follow the Illinois laws. And so I know Bob will not do that. And certainly we hope that there's a Republican sweep across the board, but if we have the Attorney General who will in fact make sure that the law is enforced, and I know Bob will do that, then we will in fact have a much better place to live right from day one. Right from day one, that will happen. And so with that, just to understand, there's a really nice video that Bob and I did discussing this in detail about why that office is so powerful and how that office can do something right at the very first day. When we have prosecutors that do not prosecute across different places in the state, the Attorney General has an interest in any place where the state is an interest in. Every criminal case in the state is entitled people of the state of Illinois versus that defendant. So the Attorney General has an interest in every criminal case. So if we have prosecutors that aren't doing it, I know Bob will step in and do that. And with that, I'm going to let you hear from Steve Bolton, current State Central Committeeman, former chairman of the City of Chicago Republicans, longtime friend of mine and a longtime friend of Bob Fioretti's. And Steve is going to introduce the next Attorney General of Illinois, Bob Fioretti. But this is now Steve.